Hello everyone, this is El Professor and welcome to my first video. In this video we're going to speak about the first basics to install needed tools and to have the first steps into the DeFi and crypto world. Every one of us has this friend or family member talking about crypto and how much fun it is, but didn't know how to start at the beginning. So this is going to be really basic videos with some details into why we need these things in order to make our buy, etc. So the first thing will be to install what we call a wallet. This is where you are going to stock your crypto that you are going to buy, and then eventually you will need it to swap it or to sell it, whatever the expression you would prefer at this point. So please be careful to spell. I'm going to put the URL in the under the video once it's done. So we'll go to Metamask, then go to download. It will detect automatically that I'm installing it for Chrome. So I will add it to my Chrome, add extension, few seconds as it's checking. No need to synchronize. So now I have it here. I'm going to pin it here so I can see it on my navigator. I'm going to start configuring the MetaMask, my wallet. So you have two options. No, I already have a secret recovery phrase, or this will create a new wallet. As it's going to be your first wallet, we are going to start creating it. Create a wallet. I prefer, to be honest, not to send my information, so I will say no thanks. Then I'm going to give a password. I have read the agreement. So this password you are going to use every time you are going to need to have access to your wallet. It's not your private key. It's not the 12 words that you need. Okay. So this is only extra security that are going to be used. So please also you have to memorize it. Create. Some video explaining how to secure. So we'll go for next now. So here you need to write down, you are going to reveal a 12 word. These 12 words are important, are very important. Without it, you will never be able to restore your wallet. So once you reveal it, you have to write it down in a paper, on a piece of paper, and keep it in a safe way, maybe to copy in two different places. It's very important. I'm going to pause for now, or really I'm going to show it. I'm not going to use this wallet anyway. So let's go. So this is what I need as these are the 12 words, and you need to put it somewhere. I'm going to copy it for now to use it. Next. I'm just going to paste it here so I can see it. So I'm going to start wrong, scrap, new, train, shadow, art, ugly, sweet, hotel, gas, wash, natural. And by this it confirms. Please don't forget to write it on a piece of paper and save it in a secure place. and make 2 copies of it. All done. And make 2 copies of it so we can you can restore it in case it's needed. You can rename the account. So for example, account details, and then you can call it, for example, for me, I'm going to call it test1. Okay. So what you will notice that this is on the Ethereum mainnet, and we'll also show you in this video how to add BNB network into your wallet. And for this, you will need to go. I'm going to also to paste a link where you can download, get all the information needed to configure the BNB network, or BSC, depending. This is the new name, BNB, where you can download, where you can get the information how to configure it. So let's go. So the idea is to go to Academy Binance. I'm going also to paste this link, and from it, I mean, it's a really good source to learn about Binance also. So what we need to know is going to be here somewhere. So these are the main information that we need to configure and to set up in our Metamask. So this is what we are going to take as an address. This is the main one. Let me copy it here. Control C. Let's go here. I can go here. So add network. So this is the address I just copied. You can call it whatever you want. BNB network, BSC, anything. You can really give any name. Just the most important for you, I mean, to know what is it. So this is, then I need to get the chain ID, which is 56. Currency symbol BNB, and the Explorer URL, here is it. Save. So as you can see, now I am on the BNB network. Please notice that when we send any crypto, I mean any digital assets between two wallets, both of the wallet has to be on the same network. So you cannot send BNB or Ethereum if you are on BNB network or chain to Ethereum chain. So you have to, both of the wallet, the receiver and the sender, they have to be on the same chain in order to make this happen. So by this, you already installed Metamask. In another video, I will try to explain how to buy and to fund this wallet. So that's all for now. Please follow my next video to have an idea how to fund and to buy your first crypto into BNB chain.